it's my turn. I'm going to reveal to you my final trump card. Susanoo, Sasuke, is that it for your jutsu then? The real battle's just beginning.
You're almost without it. Feels like I'm always
I can give it to you. I thought that you wanted to take revenge on Itachi. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for. Thanks to you, the repressive chakra is gone. Did you truly believe that a puny attack like that could take down the likes of me? Itachi! It was hidden in you all along!
What's with that sword?
Orochimaru has long searched for that sword.
Sasuke, mine. Whoa, what the hell?
Damn it! They're said to deflect all things.